order of operations with exponents. And now today's math joke. Why don't people mention 288? Because it's too gross. Today's lesson is exponents and order of operations. Our Indiana Academic Standard is 7.3.4 and 7.1.4. This is a quick review of order of operations. Remember to do all the operations within parentheses first, evaluate any terms with exponents second, third, multiply and divide in order from left to right, and finally, add and subtract in order from left to right. An exponent tells you how many times a number or base is used as a factor. In this example, the base is 5 and the exponent is 3. That means we're going to take 5 and multiply it times itself 3 times. So we have 5 times 5 times 5. The value of that expression is 125. A power is a number that can be expressed using an exponent. Let's take a look at example number 1. Writing expressions using exponents. Write 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 using an exponent. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 is 7 to the 4th. 7 is the base and 4 is the exponent. Try the quick check on your own. Write each product using exponents. Pause the video, do A and B, then start the video again. 1a is 44 to the 4th. 1b is -2 in parentheses to the 2nd. Let's take a look at example 2. Geography. A seaside village has an area of 1.3 to the 2nd power kilometers squared. Find the value of 1.3 squared. Our first method is to square 1.3. That means we're going to take 1.3 times 1.3, which is 4.29. We're not going to do method 2 today using a calculator in the notes, but leave this blank because tomorrow in class we're going to talk about how we can square numbers on our calculator. Bring your calculator to class tomorrow. You'll really appreciate it. Now we're ready for example 3. Simplify using order of operations. We're going to simplify 2 to the 3rd times the quantity 9 minus 3 squared. We start with parentheses. That means we're going to take 9 minus 3 and get 6. So we now have 2 to the 3rd times 6 squared. Next, we will take 2 to the 3rd. 2 to the 3rd is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Then we'll take 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. 8 times 36 is 288. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to finish this part of the notes. Don't forget to write a question. I will be checking this in class tomorrow. Try the quick check problems on your own. You may use a calculator to help you with the computation. If you have more than one step to do, show your steps just like we've done before with the carets. We'll be going over this again a little bit tomorrow in class. Pause the video, try the problems. When you've finished, check your final solutions. Number 2a is 243. 2b is 1 billion. 2c is 9.61. 3a is -8. 3b is -8. And 3c is 62. We're going to spend a little bit more time with some more examples involving negative numbers and exponents and when there is parentheses and when there aren't parentheses. Let's take a look at this example. The quantity -6 to the 4th power. That means -6 is going to be multiplied 4 times. So we have -6 times -6 times -6 times -6. which is 1,296. Now let's take a look at the example, negative 6 to the fourth power without parentheses. That means the negative is not being taken to the fourth power, just the 6. So then we have negative 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which is negative 1,296. We'll spend a little bit more time talking about these in class tomorrow, so be sure to bring any questions you have to class. If there's anything that you didn't get in the notes, go back, rewatch it so that you understand it for class tomorrow.